Welcome back to Beyond the Peak. In our previous videos, we mastered cross-channel reach with PMax and captured hyper-relevant search demand using AI Max. Now we take the final crucial step, moving from maximizing volume to maximizing profit. And that's the profit imperative. Whether you run e-commerce or lead generation campaigns, AI really excels when it knows what value you're optimizing for. That means value-based bidding is non-negotiable. But here's the challenge. Even for well-optimized accounts, by nature, AI can be very conservative. So when you set a target ROAS, the system often sticks to historically safe, high-volume auctions, avoiding unique but potentially profitable traffic pockets that lie just outside of its TROAS comfort zone. If you want to scale for profit and break through that ceiling, you need to introduce strategic flexibility. And we're giving you the key to unlock that with Smart Bidding Exploration. The launch of Smart Bidding Exploration is considered the biggest leap in bidding technology in the past decade. It's a new opt-in setting that fundamentally changes how your TROAS strategy operates on search campaigns. Smart Bidding Exploration uses Google AI and an advanced algorithm to bid opportunistically on searches that were just out of reach of your standard TROAS target. So when you activate Smart Bidding Exploration, you set a temporary ROAS tolerance, choosing between 10% and 30%. And that setting gives the bidder temporary permission to explore auctions that are slightly less certain to hit your strict target. That's not about lowering your overall target. It's a scientifically superior approach that uses a specialized algorithm and that drives better outcomes than manual target adjustments over time. Smart Bidding Exploration is designed to capture traffic from more diverse sources like long-tail keywords and maximize conversion volume with your existing broad targeting. Campaigns using Smart Bidding Exploration see an average uplift of about 19% in conversions and an average plus 18% in unique search query categories with conversions. This feature is all about capturing the scale and diversity that AI Max made available. For US experts, implementation requires precision. So here's your actionable checklist to launch Search Bidding Exploration effectively. First, enable VBB and activate Exploration. Smart Bidding Exploration is available globally for search campaigns using TROAS bidding. Opt in using the new setting in campaign or portfolio bid strategy settings. Second, ensure broad targeting. Smart Bidding Exploration works best on campaigns with broad targeting like Broad Match, Dynamic Search Ads, or AI Max for search. And this gives the AI the largest pool of eligible queries to explore. Then, check your budget headroom. Campaigns should not be limited by budgets. Budgets need to be flexible to have optimal results, as the feature is specifically designed to find you scale. If you enable Smart Bidding Exploration on a budget-limited campaign, the system will actually warn you. So what about data and measurement? You should provide high-quality profit data. For lead gen accounts, you should leverage conversion value rules and enhance conversions for leads to differentiate high-value leads and provide the AI with real profitability data. AI can only maximize value if you accurately track value. Then measure your incremental traffic. We recommend you need to use the bid strategy report to monitor performance. Specifically, focus on the unique search categories with conversions metric. This is how you prove the incremental value the feature is driving from new traffic sources as opposed to spending more on existing queries. And finally, a tip for testing. For clean data, you should use campaign experiments and only change the Smart Bidding Exploration setting in the trial arm. As always, you should test for 2 full conversion cycles to pass. Allow for at least 6 weeks of testing to generate really meaningful insights. So this isn't just theory. Let me give you a real-life example. The Money Group, a digital media and lead aggregator, needed to scale in a competitive auction. By deploying Search Bidding Exploration to be more opportunistic, they solved their scaling problem. They drove an incremental 46% in conversion volume from 26% more unique traffic sources. So that's the power of optimizing for value and embracing flexibility. You've adopted these product shifts, mastered PMax, optimized search with AI Max, and are now laser focused on value. These are the building blocks of your long-term growth roadmap. In our final video, we'll move beyond single campaigns. we'll show you how to ensure this performance momentum lasts by building a synergistic account structure that makes all your AI-powered campaigns work together seamlessly. Join us for video 5.